Okay, welcome back to our final series on data analytics with beginners guide. So now we have gone through how you build yourself in data analytics. Now at the end of the day, you have learned, you have started working on projects. What is next? Build a portfolio. So what is a portfolio? So after learning and building projects, the next step is creating a portfolio. A portfolio just is a collection of your work, what you have been working on or what you're still working on. It shows people what you can do. This is very important, especially if you do not have a formal work experience in data analytics. Your portfolio can include Excel dashboards, Power BI reports, SQL analysis projects you have done, case studies, or even they can be screenshots of dashboards, short explanations of your insights. So you can publish these projects on LinkedIn. We have GitHub. We have, you can even build your own personal website. Building a personal website in this generation of AI is very easy. Just come to Sabtech Online, you learn. Buy your own domain. A domain, the cheapest domain you can go for is like $2, $1.5. Host your website and start updating it with your projects. If someone asks you, have you done data analytics? This is my link. Please see for yourself. So that is a portfolio. So for every project, explain three things always. One, what problem were you solving? What tools did you use? What insights did you find? For example, let's just give an example how you can come up with an insight, you as a data analyst. I analyze sales data for a retail business, maybe in Excel and Power BI. The goal was to identify the top performing products, monthly sale trends, and underperforming regions. You get? Which means that was a sales data you found out you were working on those metrics. Then the dashboard showed that 60% of the revenue came from 20% of the products. That is the insight a data analyst should give. That explanation is powerful because it shows business thinking. Remember, companies do not hire tools. Companies hire people who can solve problems. Now, if you want guidance, practical thinking, and real projects, you can join our live sessions at Sabtech Online. We carry these on during the week, over the weekends. It can be physical, it can be online. So we run trainings covering Microsoft Excel for data analysis, Power BI dashboards development, SQL for data analytics, AI tools for productivity and project management. The goal is not just to teach theory. Our goal is to help you build the practical skills that you can use at work, in your business, in your career journey. So you can visit our website www.sabtechonline.com to learn more and join our community. We have a WhatsApp group where we share insights. We have a lot of platforms. And so if you're starting your data analytics from scratch, here is the simple roadmap. We have already done this in the series, but let me give you a summary. If you have not watched these videos, go back and look for those series. Start by understanding what data analytics is. Learn the 4 types of analysis or analytics, then build the right mindset. Start with Excel, Power BI, then SQL. Practice your skills. Practice with real data sets. In one of the videos, I showed you where we download those data sets. There is Kego. You can even search online. I need a data set to run my project in sales, in health, in transport. You'll get it for free. Then build projects. After you have built projects, then create a portfolio which is going to collect all your projects. After you have done that, share your work consistently on LinkedIn, on your social accounts. Take people through on how you created it, create a YouTube channel, share your work there. And the more you teach people on how you did something, the more you learn. And even the more you learn the mistakes that happened or how you solved them. So, most importantly, keep learning. You do not need to know everything before you start. Start, it will find you on the way. You only need to start, practice, improve, and stay consistent. So if this video has helped you, or the other videos we have been watching, please subscribe to Sabtech Online, like this video, share it with a friend or someone who may need it. Even if you're not into position to go for data analytics, please share it with someone. Also leave for us a comment. Ask any question that you feel like we have missed out, or you feel like you should have asked if this was a live session. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Keep learning, keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.